HGTV, I'm Miranda Lambert, and this is my junk Gyps-ified Airstream trailer, Wanda the Wanderer.
When we got the trailer back from Miranda, I mean, it was really a little worse for the wear. I mean, Wanda was very road weary, to say the least. We've already done a ton of work on this Airstream. It looks like an entirely different Airstream, honestly, but there are still some last minute details to do, so we're gonna get those done today.
We're sending this trailer off to Miranda this afternoon, and I think she's gonna love it.
I'm so excited. I cannot wait for her to see it. All right, we're killing time. You ready to get busy?
I am.
Okay.
There was a screen door that was broken, and these curly cues had broken off the front of the screen door, and Dad had them in the trash. And I took them out of the trash and just thought, well, we might use them for something at some point. So anyway, I found these in the barn the other day, and I brought them, and I said, would these work? And he had to admit that they actually work perfectly. So that's a little salvaged detail out of here that was going in the trash can. And we dip dyed this fringe. It was white, so we wanted it to kind of look aged. So yeah, so this is where we got our velvet in, and it kind of made this look like its own little room back here. This is our spot.
Yeah.
Should we just put our names on these chairs?
We should.
So our mom made this, and yeah, it's got all kinds of vintage charms. There's little pictures that came out of lockets on here. This ain't my first tambourine to hang up.
There are a lot of elements going on these curtains that were inspired by this whole Airstream. The shape is inspired from the yokes off of old retro Western shirts, but then we added in this flapper fringe to just give it a really cool kind of glam and girly, a very feminine feel. But we just knew we couldn't have too much fringe in this Airstream. We wanted it everywhere.
No, I can't quit either.
Can't stop.
Can't stop,
Won't stop.
This is like stress relief.
It is. It's like, this is a hippie fidget cube.
Fidget fringe.
Fidget fringe.
So now basically, I guess all we got to do is get everything ready for the road.
Make her roadworthy.
Yeah.
And then it's like, happy trails, Wanda.
Yep.
Bon voyage.
Oh my gosh. Miranda gave her a crown, but we gave her wings.
That's right. The silver bullet is ready to fly.
That's right.
Godspeed, Wanda. So we just flew in from Texas. We are backstage before Miranda's concert, and we're really, really excited because she has seen the Airstream, but we haven't seen her since she's seen the Airstream.
We haven't seen her see the Airstream, so.
Which makes a lot of sense, I know.
Yeah, it does make a lot of sense, right? So we're super excited to get in there and see what she thinks about everything.
Hey! Come in here!
We're so excited to see you.
I'm so glad to see y'all. This is awesome.
Okay.
I am so glad you're here because it is incredible. I couldn't have even dreamed up how great it turned out. The first round, the Cosmic Cowgirl, was amazing.
Yeah.
But it looks so much bigger. That was my first impression. It's so much bigger, but it's like, I literally didn't know what to expect, but I knew it was gonna be awesome because it's y'all. Our whole band and crew just can't believe it. I mean, I can't wait till you get to talk to everybody because it's unbelievable. So tell me everything. Tell me.
Yeah, can we tell you about it?
Okay.
Please.
We looked at the poster, the Living Like Hippies poster, and that was kind of like the start point.
So we went junkin'.
Yeah.
And we found this pew.
Yes.
And the pew, do you like the pew?
I'm obsessed with it.
But we thought it was so perfect for in here.
Unbelievable.
And did you like the Wanda on top?
Yes.
So that was
So
one of
that's one-
Jolie's personal belts.
And then,
Was it
and then
really?
what
Yes.
happened? We all panicked over the booth.
Oh.
Yes, but it's perfect. I mean, we've already sat around here and played cards. Like,
Good. The booth is awesome because it seats about 8, and there's storage underneath the seats in the booth.
The booth was one of the scariest decisions we've ever made because that is genuine faux snake.
Genuine faux.
we didn't have a table
Y'all didn't have a
before.
table before, and we were
Yeah.
thinking, well, maybe this would
needed a
work.
table.
And so this.
Yeah, what is this?
Okay. So this is a vintage panel off of a carousel.
Of course it is.
And
It's actually
so it
numbered
would've
on the
been-
bottom.
It's numbered and it had
What?
hinges. This just worked out perfect. Took the metal out of it, put some old vintage beadboard in it, which did come out of a church. And the leg is off of a grand piano.
Oh man,
Probably-
is
this
it
is
really?
probably a-
We've
I love
We've
that.
been saving those for a special purpose.
Whatever you call the pedal
Is
thing
in-
is in Dirk's trailer.
That's great.
Yeah.
Damn damnly.
That's right.
This was our Texas touch because the roses have just a tint of yellow in them.
I know, I saw that.
What's this look like to you?
This?
Uh-huh.
Theater curtain and gypsy and, well, and my outfit.
Yes.
That's where we got the theme. We traced the back of a pearl snap. The Western yellow
It's like
on
a
the back
little
of the
Yes.
western, a little gypsy, a little flapper
It's
fringe.
everything we all
Right.
are.
We wanted to take the back end of the Airstream and make it almost feel like another little room. And so this is where we got our velvet in. And then also, of course, we love fringe.
And old French chairs that have tufting and fringe. French
French
and fringe. So 2 of our favorite things.
These we love.
Yeah. So Dad, you know Dad.
Yep.
He had to actually wire these where they're on the
Yeah.
outside.
Perfect.
And put up there, yeah. We made a bar that goes over the top of the other wheel well. So this is a little bit more robust than what you had before.
Yes.
Like, I think like 10 people could get up on there and dance.
And it's probably
And they might. I mean,
This is solid, and we did a stainless steel top. You
These are
opened it yet?
old.
Looked at, so I actually want you to open it.
we left you a little message in here.
oh, I didn't even see that.
That's what your mama
I
said.
love it. Awesome. I love that, girls. I love it so much. I mean, that's what Wanda is for us. We all talked about it. Like,
Yeah.
if Wanda's there, we know we're home.
Right.
Because our home is wherever we
good.
roam, for real.
Right,
So,
exactly, yeah.
you know, but if Wanda's there, it's a place we can gather and be together.
Right.
Love you, girls.
love you.
Group hug. So glad you're here.
We are too. Let's go see the concert.
Okay.
Let's do a show. Your work is just beginning tonight.
Bye, girls.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you too. Here we go.